All right, well, today came out to the tomatoes. Started these in seed. I want to say like beginning of March, late February, and I had a lot of red tomatoes on here, so I'm gonna try to rip them off today. And I'm gonna say my frustration, disappointment level this year is it's as high as it can go. Whoever said this gardening thing is easy, they are telling stories. They're making up lies. They're selling you a bill of goods. So I came out, and this is what I got to deal with. I walked over to the tomato. First one I look at, you'll see black spots. Other tomatoes over here, more black spots. Pretty much these are all just, they're no good. There's nothing to get off of these. Um, the banana pepper plant's still good, but tomatoes, I gotta put them all out. Um, Man, yeah, disappointment beyond belief. What I will say is this: I'm not going to give up. I've said it before. If you watch any of my other videos, it's things aren't going as planned this year. That's okay. Um, I'm still going to keep at it. Eventually, things will turn. And again, I keep saying we got a long growing season, so back to the drawing board on this stuff and see how things work out. Luckily, I got a few tomato plants that still have kind of I need to repot anyway, so I'll put those in, and hopefully those work out better. All right, y'all. Hope you have a better time gardening. Things are working out better for you. All right, later.